Hey, what's up guys? I'm next to a busy street during a thunderstorm. Thought it'd be a good time to record some audio from my next Blender tutorial. So in today's video, we're going to take a look at how to model a chair in Blender. The chair that I'm going to model today is going to be made out of wood. And the fastest way I know of to get wood in Blender is to grow a tree using this sapling plugin. And we can pretty much grow any type of tree we want using the presets. I don't know what kind of tree is good for chairs. Is it yew? We should pick a nice oak. That'll do. And so then you can grow your tree pretty much as big as you want. Obviously, the more trees you have, the more wood you have to work with. If you grow a very small tree, you'll probably have to model a very small chair. You may also have to grow multiple trees to harvest enough lumber. But once we have the raw wood, we can chop it down using the knife tool, like an axe. And then it's simply a matter of running it through the sawmill to turn it into processed planks, arches, and other shapes. But I don't want this to feel like just any old factory chair. I want this to feel more like I want this chair to feel hand carpented. So we're going to cut us a nice big chunk of wood and lathe it. We're going to use a lathe tool to make us some legs for the chair, as well as a back, maybe some struts. And then all we have to do is join them all together. And you can use whatever type of joint you want. There are many different types of joints. But if the way that you shaped the wood isn't working in terms of putting your chair together, you can also use nails to affix the pieces, or glue. And so now that we have our finished chair, the last thing it just needs is a little bit of smoothing and polish. So we just scrub it over with this brush. Every part. Yep. There is no faster way to do this. And polish. So we get out our sandpaper, rub it down. Rub away all the grain, rub away all the splinters, get it nice and smooth and shiny. Perfect for your Heine. And so there you have it. That's from seed to chair in Blender. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. I hope I don't do any more Blender tutorials, but if an idea strikes, I just can't help myself. It's some kind of compulsion, I don't know. Please send help. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.